Well, there's the one up there. Okay, well, hit the file cabinet. Okay, well, move the radiator. There are 2 squirrels in. This is what we're doing. Just grab the file cabinet and pull it out a little bit. Okay, now shoot up. No!
Other way. Other way. Hey, where'd it go?
It's back there, I think.
No, it went out the room.
Okay, well, get that one. Get that one.
Come on, out the window. Come on. Come on. Right here.